What's going on, team? Now, who doesn't love an MX5 with a Duce kit? I'm sure everybody does. Now, what better place to come to try and find some Duce kitted MX5s than the 2021 MX5 Show and Shine event. Let's go take a look and see what we can see. Duce kit. Duce kit. Duce kit. Duce kit. Duce kit. Duce kit. Aston Martin. Duce kit. So there we go, team. Good turnout for the Duce kit MX5s. But while we're here, let's go check out some of the others too. So there we go, team. Great turnout for the 2021 MX5 Show and Shine event today. I'm looking forward to next year's show already. And if you enjoyed this video today, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.